Use the right word to end the conversation from now on. Whether it's wrapping up a meeting, saying goodbye after a social event, or simply finishing a call, the way you conclude matters just as much as how you begin. In this video, we'll guide you through the art of ending conversations. Start by listening to conversations in the first part, and then in second part, engage interactively to train yourself in speaking for these situations. Wrapping up a business meeting.
We've covered all the important points today. Let's wrap this up and move forward with the next steps.
Ending a phone call politely.
I appreciate your time today. I'll let you go now, but let's stay in touch.
Finishing a job interview.
Thank you for considering me for this position. I look forward to hearing from you soon.
Concluding a casual conversation.
It was great catching up with you. Let's do this again sometime soon.
Ending a presentation.
That brings us to the end of this presentation. Thank you for your attention, and I'm open to any questions you might have.
Saying goodbye at a social event.
This has been a wonderful evening. I must be heading off now, but thank you for the lovely time.
Closing a sales pitch.
I hope this gives you a good overview of what we can offer. Please feel free to reach out with any further questions.
Wrapping up a group discussion.
We've had a productive discussion today. Let's call it a day and reflect on what we've shared.
Ending an academic lecture.
We'll stop here for today. Remember to review the materials before our next class.
Saying farewell on a travel tour.
Our journey ends here. Safe travels back home, and I hope you enjoyed the tour as much as I did.
Now, let us do the practice. You will be shown the earlier sentences one by one. You have to identify the phrase used for conclusion. After a few seconds, the answer will be shown. Subscribe and practice daily with the Speak With Me videos for naturally improving the fluency.